Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 310GK. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post another video. Now, let's get started. Starting out with our outdoor entertainment space, we do have two awnings out here. One is right above me and it does go over that entryway door, so if it is raining out here, you're gonna be nice and covered. The other awning is attached to this slide right here. It does extend out of that slide, so you have another space to be nice and dry there as well. Up on top of that slide, there is a slide cover that just protects your slide over the years. And we do have one upgrade out here. We have a leash latch right by this really nice handle leading into your door. This is an area so you can hook your dog's leash right there. So if everybody's out here hanging out and you want your dog out here too, that's a nice place to keep them nice and safe and secured. We also do have a couple of LED strips out here. One is right here, and I think we have another one over here on this slide. And we also have an indoor-outdoor speaker system as well. You have some speakers over here so you can listen to your music both indoors and outdoors. Now, let's check out your storage. In the front of your Solitude, you have this nice, large pass-through storage space. This is the perfect area to put all of your outdoor items, and they've given you an easy-to-clean-out floor down here. Things get a little dirty at the campgrounds, but when it's under here, you can easily clean this out. And this surface is actually gripped, so while you're going down the road, things aren't going to be moving around out here, which is a nice plus. Also down here, we do have an LED strip that goes all the way down this side. It is very bright. I just don't have it turned on for you guys right here, but it will keep things nice and lit up while you're down here. We also do have our battery disconnect down here, and over on that side, you have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk into your Solitude, we do have one upgrade for this 2024 model. Down here is a Lipper screen defender. This is just an extra little panel on the door. This makes it a lot more sturdy, and if you have dogs or kids and they're running into that, or if the dogs are scratching on that, it's gonna protect your door and protect them from not falling out if that screen door is open. So it's just an extra little safety feature right there. Across from the door right here, we do have our control panel. This is where you're gonna control all of those slides, lights, and awnings. This is very easy to use, user-friendly, so you'll be able to figure that out pretty quick. Now, let's check out the rest of this camper. Starting out in our kitchen area, over on this side next to our entryway door, we kind of have this catch-all hutch area. This is a perfect area just to throw all your belongings in right when you first walk in, or you could also use this as a bar if you wanted to. Let's see, we do have an electrical outlet right here, so if you do want to throw a coffee machine right here, you can definitely do that. We have lots of storage up here. They've given you these nice open cabinet tops up here, and this little box right here is where your control panel was at. But you do have plenty of room up here, and there is one upgrade. These are soft close cabinets, so I'll show you guys. You let that go, and it does close very softly and easily, so if you are just throwing something in there and walking away, it's not gonna slam that cabinet door shut. We also do have some open storage right here, perfect to throw your keys in, maybe some magazines, and then you do have some more drawers down here with added storage in the bottom as well. Also over in this area is our pantry, so this opens up and you have a very nice size pantry in here. And we also do have our Travel-Fi. So Grand Design's been doing some upgrades and they've been adding Travel-Fi into some of their newer campers. This is kind of a pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi system. Very nice, but if you want more information on that, definitely ask your salesman. But you can throw tons of groceries in there. And let's check out our fridge right here. This fridge, you guys, is so nice. And it actually is a glass front fridge. That just makes it a little bit more stronger, and you're not gonna get dents or anything in it. It makes it more resistant to dents. So just a nice little upgrade on that. But let's check it out. This opens up, and you guys, this thing is absolutely huge. It is so nice. You're gonna be able to fit all of your stuff in there. And we actually do have two freezer drawers as well. So this one opens up, and then you do have a couple panels in here, and you actually have another drawer down bottom. It has this tray over top, and you have tons of storage space in there as well. So very, very nice. Makes it feel very at home, and just a ton of upgrades, which I like. Now, check out the rest of your kitchen. In our kitchen, we do have this lovely accent lighting up top. This is just an added feature in here to make it really feel like home. It is very nice, and it makes it look very classy and upgraded in here. Down below that is this gorgeous island. This thing gives you tons of countertop space, so if you're wanting to prep a ton of meals, you're gonna have all the room in the world to do that up here. And there's so much storage on this side. You do have 2 electrical outlets, tons of drawers, and just added storage for all your cleaning supplies and whatever else you want to place over here. And we do have a couple more upgrades over here. I know you guys are looking at this sink like, holy cow, there's so much going on, and it is so nice. So let me tell you a little bit about it. They have given us an extra cutting board in here, so that's nice, just so you don't have to go out and buy one. And it looks very nice and very sturdy. And this sink, you guys, we do have 2 little removable trays in here, just an added little thing. And what's really cool, they've given you this waterfall thing right here. So the water comes right out of that, makes it very easy to wash all of your dishes, and it just looks super cool as well. We have the typical retractable sink nozzle. You have an added soap dispenser right here, and this little thing over here washes your glasses. So you have a glass, you just set it on there, and the water shoots up and cleans that out. So this is a perfect sink to prep all your food in and to wash all of your dishes. But if you don't like washing your dishes in the sink and you do want to add a dishwasher, this unit is dishwasher prepped, so our service team can definitely add that in for you when you purchase. Now, let's move on and check the rest out. Over here in the rest of our kitchen, we do have lots of countertop space, like I said, so you're gonna be able to very easily make a huge meal in here, or if you wanna add maybe a coffee bar over here, there is electrical outlet up in the top right here and over on this other side, so you can plug in coffee maker, air fryer, any type of thing you want over in your kitchen area. And Grand Design has been listening to all of you guys really well lately. A lot of people have been saying they need more designated storage, and they have definitely delivered with that. In this cabinet right here, they've given you 3 large drawers that pull out of here. So this is very easy to stuff all your things in here and then pull it out and go through it and see it very nicely. We also have a little bit more designated storage that I'll show y'all. Up above here, that you open this up and they've given you this spice drawer. So this pulls out and down so you can see that spice. I am a little bit taller and I can easily see in that, and it pulls down for those shorter folks as well. We also have typical cabinets over on both sides, and a really cool thing they've done, they have given you 2 trash cans right here. So this pulls out and you have a designated spot for all of your garbage. And you guys, check out how nice this stovetop is. This is a 4-eye burner stovetop right here, and you have a very large oven as well. And check out probably my favorite little upgrade they've given you. Over here by our fridge, if you come down here, you have a typical drawer on this side, but in the left side, they've given you pet drawers for your dog or your cat, whatever pet you're bringing along to the campground with you. But they can eat in the kitchen while you guys are eating as a family. They have their bowls right here for you, so you don't have to go out and purchase that. Now, check out your dinette. Across from your island is your 4-person dinette. This is a great area to eat dinner as a family. And one thing to note, these chairs do all fold up. So if you kind of want to use this as an extra little space, you can easily fold those up and move those. Also over here, we do have our theater seats. These are the perfect place to watch a movie, and they do recline. So these kick out and this goes back, but don't worry, you're not gonna hit that window back there because these are made especially for campers. So they're perfectly put in these slides so that they don't damage anything. Also over here, we do have USB ports on both sides so you can plug in your phones while you're sitting here watching a movie as well. And another little upgrade over here, they have given you this little place right here on both sides. This perfect area to rest your arm, or if you want to put a nice glass of water there, you can do that too. Now, check out your other couch. In your living room, you do have this nice large couch. You could very comfortably fit multiple people on here to sit together and watch some TV. Or if some extra guests need a sleeping space, this actually does roll over into a bed so they can sleep here. And they have lots of storage. We have some overhead storage so they could definitely throw all their bags in there. Or if you want to put some extra linens, pillows, blankets, there's tons of room for that up there as well. Also on both sides, we do have these nice little countertops right here to set your food and drinks on, and there is electrical outlets on both sides so you can plug in your laptops or your phones, and there actually is some secret storage as well on both sides. This moves over and you have some hidden storage right there, and there is 2 USB ports in there as well, so you can definitely charge all your items. Now, let's move over here and check out the TV. Right next to our rollover sofa is our entertainment space. One cool thing about this area, we do have this very large TV right here, but this is on a televator. So in this little area right here, there is this switch, and you push that down, and this TV actually hides in here. So if you're not watching TV and you want to place some decorative items up here, maybe a small little Christmas tree or something, you can use that space for both. And right here is also our indoor-outdoor speaker system, so you can listen to your music indoors and outdoors, and that's where you control that from. We do have more storage in both of these as well. Perfect area to put all of your puzzles in, and there is an electrical outlet up there, so if you want to put a smaller, maybe gaming device, you can definitely fit that up there as well. We also do have another 2024 upgrade in this area. This little mantle right here actually does pull down, and it gives you another storage space. You can fit so much stuff in there. It does look small, but it goes back super far, so that is nice. Also underneath that, we do have this nice fireplace. This is perfect for those cold winter months like today. It's not yet winter, but it's pretty cold here in Cookeville. Or if you don't want to use that as a heater and you do just want to use it as a light while you're watching TV, that works for that too. Now, let's check out your bathroom. In our bathroom, we do have a nice size medicine cabinet. This opens up, giving you 3 shelves in here. This is the perfect place to put all of your toiletries in. We also do have a nice size countertop in here. Sometimes the counter space is limited, but this is a pretty good size countertop. We do have a nice curved sink. That's really fun to look at. I like that sink a lot. In here we do have an electrical outlet, so you can plug in all of your hairstyling tools. And you do have some storage underneath. This is the perfect area to put your cleaning supplies in, and you could definitely stack some toilet paper over there. Moving on to my right hand side, they've given you some hooks up here. You can put some towels up there, maybe a robe, and underneath that you do have your step to flush toilet. And right over here we do have a little bit more storage. It's not very tall, but it does go all the way back in there, so you do have plenty of storage space in there. Moving behind me, we have our shower. This shower is a pretty good size, and they've even given you a seat over here on the left. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of a ridged look around here, and it looks very nice. They've given you a very nice shower head in here. You have multiple nozzles, 2 right here, a removable one on the side, and this kind of rainfall shower up here. Over on my right hand side, we do have a couple shelves, so you definitely have space to put all of your shampoo and conditioner. And they've also given you this nice LED strip in here. You don't have a natural light up here anymore, but they have given you that strip, and it kind of does mock that natural light while still keeping it bright in here. And one thing to note, the bottom of this shower is pretty deep, so all your water is definitely going to stay in here. Or if you're bathing some little kids or some dogs and stuff, if they splash around, it's not going to go out on your floor, which is very nice. Now, let's check out your private bedroom. Your bedroom is at the front of this Solitude, and in here they've given you this nice king size bed and one upgrade in here. Sometimes with king size beds you don't have enough space for a nightstand, but they've built in 2 little shelves on both sides, giving you an area to throw your reading glasses or maybe a glass of water. And there is a little shelf in there as well, so you can place some smaller items in there too. On both sides we do have an electrical outlet and 2 USB ports, so you can plug in your phones and other items. Back behind me they've given you this nice little headboard. They don't need to add that in there, but they do, and it's just a nice little homey touch in here. You do have a few windows back here as well to get some of that natural lighting. And you guys, check out this closet over here. I'll stand up and walk. This is a very nice size closet. You can tell that I have tons of room to move around in here. They've given you this up here to put some shoes on. And over on my right hand side, you do have a couple more shelves. And behind me, they've given you this nice, lovely shelving unit. This is perfect to throw some purses in, maybe a ton of different shoes. And you even have a hanging bar in there as well to hang up all your clothes. And if that's not enough space for you, don't worry, you do have another closet over here. This opens up and you have another hanging bar in here with some shelves. But a fun thing about this, that shelf is removable and it is washer dryer prepped. So if you do want to add a washer and dryer in there, you can definitely do that. Check with your service team. And you also have one more spot to store some things right here. They've given you a dresser. This is across from the bed. You have a TV up here and this nice dresser with 6 drawers in it. Perfect place to fold up your pajamas or socks and underwear. But one really cool thing, they've given you some hidden storage. This actually moves out and you have this hidden storage space right here. This is perfect to put your valuables in, maybe some jewelry or other items, and it is a very nice little touch. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevillerv.com where your adventure awaits.